Hello guys, in this short and basic video today I will show you how to create a channel in Telegram on PC or laptop. So very simple and basic way. Open Telegram. Now here guys you have to click on this menu icons. Now in this list you will see option new channel. Click on it. Give your channel name. You can give the description for your channel name. Then click on create. You can make this channel private or public. Anyone can find the channel in search and join. If you select public channel, private channel, only people with an invitation link can join. You can set custom URL. You will see this link is available. Click on save. So this way guys you can create a channel on Telegram. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.